Hi guys,
This is Mami Ma.
this is Myrella. For today's video, I have a question for Arella so we can check how smart she is. Pero kinakalikot niya yung buko, ang sakit. Okay, here's the question. Should children have to wear school uniforms?
Yes.
Why do you think the reason uniform is important?
Because it represents that they belong to the school.
To that school. Yes, good answer, right? And we're talking about, you're right about that naman. So we will know where that child or those children are studying. Tama ka, it represents the
like
school.
Pulubi, they don't know who are they. They don't have name tag.
Malapasok ang pulubi.
My father.
Oh, we're talking about children here. Why you students need uniform? Well, you are right naman. Talking about uniforms, do you like your uniform?
Yeah.
Are you comfortable wearing long sleeves?
Long socks. I'm not comfortable.
Oo nga.
It's too hot.
Kasi long sleeve na yung uniform nila, tapos skirt hanggang knee. Tapos ang kailangan nila ay
Long socks.
long socks, knee socks, high socks. So hindi siya short sock. Ewan ko ba bakit kayo long socks, pero wala tayong magagawa eh. That's the rules of the school eh. We just have to follow. So you're not comfortable wearing long socks? Oo nga naman, mainit. Kahit nasabihin mo
Sometimes it's okay for me. Because I just roll it down eh.
Pwede ba yan? Baka makita ng teacher. Ginagano mo, iniikot mo. Kaya yung
Tapos magiging ganito.
hanggang saan? Hanggang saan sa paa mo? Talaga, pwede? Hindi nagagalit si teacher?
Hindi, ano lang, minsan lang kasi minsan kung ano lang,
Ano po?
mainit po.
Are you asking permission to the teacher that you will fold your socks?
No.
Buti hindi niya nakikita that you're folding your socks. Or you're just sitting down. Kaya
I'm just sitting down, teacher's not to read.
Oo, hindi
I just put it, let it, stay down for a short minute, short second, then when it's test time na, I roll it back na.
Okay, I understand. Ginagawa lang niya yung for short time. Okay.
Siyempre, ayoko mag-detention ulit. Nakadalawang times na nga ako eh.
Nadi-detention kayo kapag may mga mistakes kayo. Kaya, it's okay lang naman yun para you will remember your mistakes and will not do it again. Okay? Tama ba? Yan, curly hair.
I'm making my hair curly.
Okay, thank you for answering my question and a good answer. Very good ka dyan. Yeah, thank
I
you.
hope, teacher, you see this.
Thank you for watching. God
Bye.
bless. Bye.